This is how you can create a sound effect using ElevenLabs, and recently they just added a new feature that lets you create a sound effect that is essentially looping. So here's how you can create one. First, you can navigate to elevenlabs.io and you can log in with your own account and then click sound effects. Now, here in this page, you can see some examples that were created by other users in ElevenLabs, and also you can see some categories and you can explore other sound effects that are available in the platform. But of course, we want to create our own, so this is how you can create one. Here, you can describe what is the sound that you want to create. In this case, I want to create a sound effect of a gentle piano. So let me type that, gentle piano. Now, to make the sound effect to be looping, you have to enable this option, keep it on, and that means the sound effect is going to be looping. And for the duration, you can select any duration up to 30 seconds, but keep in mind that the longer duration means that it's going to be more expensive. It will consume more credits if you are making an audio that is much longer. So if you set it to auto, then AI will decide what is the most appropriate duration for the sound effect. So I'm going to be using that. And here there is something called prompt influence. This is more about how much AI should be following your prompt. If you want to make it very strict following your prompt, then you can make it to be higher. But if you are giving AI some flexibility to create a more unique and creative approach, then you can keep the number low. But in this case, I want to keep it balanced, so let me set the number to be about 50%. And there you go. Sorry about that. Let me just fix it to 50. Now, when you're done, you can click this button and just wait for this AI tool to create some variations, because yes, it is actually creating up to 4 different variations of the same sound effect. So later you can decide which one do you think sound the best, and you can download it, you can save it to your favorite, and of course you can use it on your project. Now, let me just wait and I'll show you a few other things that you can do afterwards. Alright, after just several seconds, I got these results. Now you can click this play button to preview the audio that was created. So let me try the option number 1. Okay, how about number 4? Okay, one thing that I noticed oftentimes is, even though I do enable the looping, sometimes it is just not clean, it's just not perfect. And if that was the case, then I do recommend to just regenerate the audio again, and hopefully on the next iteration it can make the looping to be clean and perfect. But if you're quite satisfied with the result, then you can click this download button and you can select the format, either MP3 or WAV, and that one is actually much better because the bitrate is higher than MP3. So after that, it will be downloaded to your computer and you can use it on your project. And of course, the audio, the sound effects that you created will be available on your ElevenLabs account, and you can even favorite them so you can access the effects much faster. And all the things that you have created will be available in the history menu right here. So that's how you can create a sound effect, especially the looping one, using ElevenLabs AI. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you a great day ahead.